Hey there, I hope you're doing well. I am Marina Ormes. I'm here with your Astro vibe of the day for today, Thursday, June 23rd, 2022. Today, the moon is in Taurus. You can learn more about me at astrologyheals.com. I am the founder of Astrology Heals, and I've been doing this for years. I've actually been doing astrology since the early 90s. I have written a couple of books. I am just fascinated by how astrology can help support our own self-healing process. And I know that a lot of you out there really care about yourself and about doing the things that you can do to help yourself step into your full potential. And so this astrological energy can really support you when you understand what's going on. Today, as I mentioned, the moon is it's going into Taurus, went into Taurus at 5 a.m. my time, which is US Pacific time, give or take a few minutes around there. So what we have is this energy of grounding, of stability, of really bringing it down to earth, really kind of calming down and getting back to a place where things make sense. And if you've been following me, you know that earlier this week we had some energies that might have been throwing us off kilter a little bit, and then feelings of losing touch with reality and or getting confused. And then going right into a Cancer sun and an Aries moon with the third quarter moon, and some of that drive or that emotion bursting forth in ways that we may not always have control over. So this Taurus moon is like, okay, the storm is kind of calming down now, and it's time to regroup and find your bearings and take care of your body. So what does that look like, taking care of your body? Eating good food, taking a little extra time to prepare food that takes care of you and tastes good and is enjoyable to make and eat. It looks like doing a little yoga or some movement that is nurturing to you, that just says, hey, I love you to your body. and what does it look like to, get out in nature, to do some gardening, to go for a walk, to go for a swim, whatever it is that works in your routine, to give some attention to your physical self. And those things can help you to kind of come back to a feeling of normalcy, which is what Taurus likes. But the wonderful thing about the cycle and the way that we move through these different energies is that you can come back to normalcy, but on your terms. So what does normalcy look like when you integrate the things that you've been learning over the last few weeks, and specifically since the Gemini moon on May 30th, because we are in the waning half of the moon cycle. We are heading toward the new moon now. We are reaching the end of this current moon cycle, and we're integrating. We're kind of letting go of some of the things we've been processing and that have been transpiring as we regroup and kind of assess where we are and what's important to us and what our lives look like now. And it's a good time to give some attention to your routines, what you need to take care of your body, your soul, and how to implement some of those things on a day-to-day basis for ongoing maintenance. So attending to the maintenance of the care and feeding of yourself, that is focus for today. And be sure to take some extra moments to enjoy the things that you can perceive with your senses, to take in the colors, the textures, the flavors, the aromas, just all the wonderful things that the earth has to offer. They're there because they want you to appreciate them. So take some time to appreciate them and while you're at it, have some appreciation for yourself because you're worth it. All right. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you again tomorrow. And again, I'm Marina Ormes of Astrology Heals at astrologyheals.com. I really appreciate you being here and being with me for these videos. I've really been enjoying it. You can learn more about me at my website, astrologyheals.com. And I'd love it if you can subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. So thank you so much. I'll see you next time.